Welcome to IMTEX 2026, which is held at BIEC in Bangalore, which is started from 21st to 25th of January. This event is organized by IMTMA. It is one of the key events in India focusing on metal forming and cutting technology industry. We are here to witness key insights shared by the people, the participants in the event on cutting technologies, metal forming, and manufacturing priorities in 2026.
Welcome to Mechelonic Engineers stall at IMTEX Forming and Weld Expo 2026. Hi, my name is Gabin Kattukaran. I'm a director of Mechelonic Engineers, and I'm happy to say that we have participated in IMTEX right from its inception in the mid to late 70s, and I don't think we've ever missed a show. And we're always happy to be back here and spend time here. So we make it a point at every edition of IMTEX, we always present at least one or two new machines, new concepts that we are working on. This time we have introduced a machine meant specifically for manufacturing of brake shoes, for the adding automation to an already proven system. The automation improves the product quality as well as the productivity levels and keeps the operators at a safe distance from the high current areas of the machine. In addition to that, we are also showing an upgraded version of our peripheral seam welder, which is designed specifically for motorcycle fuel tanks. And we've also got a display here of rail welding line, which has been supplied to the Indian Railways, specifically meant for the newer high-speed rail lines that are being spread across the country. So we see the R&D into resistance welding as an incremental process, and we work on that with pretty much every single order and every single customer interaction that we have. So in this edition, we are not specifically targeting any major advances in that sense, but we have introduced some machines, for example, for the two-wheeler fuel tanks. Our machines have brought down rejection and rework rates from around 15% down to 0.5%. And as a result of that, we can confidently say that, well above 80 to 85% of motorcycle and other two-wheeler fuel tanks that are made in the country today are made on our machines. So it's a matter of pride for us that we have a range of machines which contributes to the widest range of industries in the country. Starting from the automobile in the four-wheeler passenger segment, two-wheelers, three-wheelers and commercial vehicles, moving on to food packaging, aerospace, construction, power and switchgear, fencing. You name an industry where there is metal joining, and we're normally a part of that. We've contributed to it. So typically what we do coming into any edition of IMTEX is to make our presence felt first and foremost. Secondly, we like to introduce some new concepts, which we have done again, and we invite some of our customers and potential customers to come and talk to us. What we like to impress upon them is, as a company, we understand the process of resistance welding better than pretty much anybody else. And we are always looking to provide innovative solutions and innovative machines to known problems in the industry. And we're doing the same again this time. Indian industry has been going through a few ups and downs recently. We are seeing a combination of an increase in government spending in infrastructure and related industries. At the same time, private industry is kind of plateauing in some segments. There is some investments coming in some areas. But we find overall, many people are cagey about new capital investments and capital expenditure. However, we are still seeing a lot of upgradation going on existing lines, with people opting for newer technologies, higher productivities, more automation, and we are contributing to that.